In 1956, Toyota engineers flew all the way to USA to study the Henry Ford's iconic factories. Basically, they expected to see peak manufacturing gameplay, but plot twisted, they were not impressed. Huge factories, big machines, lots of noise, but also tons of chaos, inventory everywhere, and people doing extra work for no reason. Then they walked into a random grocery store, a Piggly Wiggly supermarket, and weirdly, that changed everything. Not the technology, not the product, one tiny thing. When people picked a cereal box off the shelf, the worker replaced only that one box. That's it. No overloading, no stuffing extra inventory everywhere. The shelf only got refilled when there were actual space. Toyota engineer looked at that and went, "Wait, this is genius." That single idea literally helped create a Kanban system. And low-key, your brain desperately need it right now. Welcome back to Quality Quest. I'm Dr. Govind Vagaria. Let's be real. Your brain probably has 47 tabs open right now. You started watching one video and then checked Instagram, then replied to one message, then remembered an assignment, then opened the Amazon for absolutely no reason. Meanwhile, your actual important work still buffering. Modern culture keeps telling us multitask more, hustle harder, stay busy 24/7. But Toyota discovered something different. More work does not always mean more output. Sometimes it just means your system crashes. And that is exactly what is happening to the most of people. Too many goals, too many unfinished tasks, too much mental background noise. So you stay busy all day but somehow finish nothing. That is where Kanban comes in. And Kanban has one elite rule. Limit your work in progress, or as engineers call it, WIP limits. If a machine can only process 3 cars door properly, send 10 more does not help. It just creates a mess. So here is your challenge. Take a paper, a whiteboard, or your iPad Notes app and make 3 columns. To do, doing, and done. Your to-do column can be huge. Dream big. But your doing column, maximum 3 tasks. That's the rule. Not 8, not technically 5, only 3. If you want to start something new, you must finish something first. Move it to done and pull in the next task. Exactly like the grocery shelf. And honestly, this changes everything. Your brain calms down, your focus gets locked in, your stress drops, and suddenly you actually start finishing things again. This week, stop trying to do everything. Pick the 3 things that genuinely matters. Everything else, NPC side quests. Ignore them for now. Drop your 3 doing tasks in the comment. Next time on Quality Quest, we are talking about SOPs, basically how to automate your life so your habits run on autopilot. Stop frying your brain with multitasking. Protect your focus. Limit your work in progress. I'm Dr. Govind Vagaria. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in next video.